Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Drive to another account. So first of all, you need to create a new file, create a new folder and name it whatever you want. Okay, now go for create. Okay, now you have to move all your files to this new file. So if I move it to here, okay, then this one is also okay. Now these all files are here. Then now just right click on it, go for share, then search for your another account. Okay, this is my account and you can write if you want, so I'm not gonna write anything. Then go for send. Okay, now go for your another account. So this is my another account, just refresh it and now you can see my file is here. You can see it shared with me up on this file and you can see these all files are here. So this is how you can transfer Google Drive to another account. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.